Hello everyone! Today we are practicing numbers from 1 to 20 with a fun word search activity. Look carefully at the puzzle. You will listen to each word or phrase and you will have a few seconds to find it. If you need more time, pause the video and keep searching. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. And number 20. This is it. Great job. Both teachers and students can get the printable worksheet and answer key in my store. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon.